Hi, Christian here, and owner of Tinsley Transfers. I'm about to show you how to apply our new line of big mouth temporary tattoos. Now, the big mouth tattoo is not only innovative, but it's also very easy to apply, and all you're going to need is water and scissors. Now, regardless of the style that you've chosen, all big mouth tattoos apply the same, so you can use this video as your guide in helping you gain the best results. First, start by removing the tattoo sheet from the package. Next, you want to cut around the tattoo, staying close to the image, but being careful not to cut into the image. Don't forget to cut out the white box in the center of the mouth. This is going to help you line up the tattoo on the face. Before applying, make sure the skin is clean, free of any dirt, oils, makeup, or hair. When ready to apply, peel off the plastic, exposing the sticky underside. Next, place the tattoo up to the face and open the mouth, matching the hole you cut out in the center. This will help relieve cracking on the side of the face when the mouth opens after the tattoo has been applied. When comfortable and ready to apply, line up the tattoo with an open mouth and press it firmly into the skin. Once your tattoo is secure, get your sponge and wet the paper. Begin wetting the paper everywhere, avoiding the lower lip. It is important the paper is fully saturated, so please don't rush. Lastly, press and hold the sponge firmly on the lower lip area, being careful not to move for up to 10 seconds. Then, slowly peel the paper away. After you peel the paper away, you may find an air bubble or lifted edge. Simply wet your finger with water and press the tattoo back into the skin. Once you are done with the application, you can add any makeup around the lips to complete the look. For this, we are using a black cream to blend. Afterwards, it's up to you on how you would like to finish your character. You can do this with makeup, costume, or accessories. That's it. Be creative and explore the imagination. Now remember to take a look on the back of your package on how to remove your temporary tattoos. We'd also love if you would share your photos with us, so please follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or visit us at tinsleytransfers.com.